In the unfathomable depths of the cosmos lies a scar so vast, astronomers once believed their instruments had failed. It is called the Boötes Void, a colossal chasm spanning nearly 300 million light-years across. A desert of galaxies, so empty, it bends the mind. This place defies all reason, challenging our understanding of what should, and should not, exist. Discovered in 1981, the Boötes Void stunned scientists across the world. In a universe teeming with stars, it appeared as an immense black wound in the night. For every 1,000 galaxies expected within its span, fewer than 60 exist. The rest vanished into an ocean of nothingness. Imagine gazing into this region, no starlight, no clusters, no radiant arms of spiral galaxies. Only the soft, infinite murmur of cosmic background radiation. It feels ancient, predating even light itself. Many call it the loneliest place in the universe, a void so empty, it swallows hope. Astronomers describe it as part of the universe's large-scale structure, a cosmic bubble between filaments of clustered matter. Yet some see it as something much darker. A hole in the universe's design. A whispering absence creeping outward, hungering for the warmth of worlds. What could have carved out such vast emptiness? Inside the Boötes Void, time feels broken. The rare galaxies adrift within move in isolation, their light stretching thin beneath the weight of cosmic silence. Imagine being there, a lone planet orbiting in forgotten gravity wells, its sky a hollow pit of despair. Even light itself struggles to find purpose. Some cosmologists propose that the void formed naturally through the clustering of matter and dark energy. Gravity sculpted filaments and left behind the empty spaces. But there are others, those whispering behind observatory walls, who wonder if this emptiness was not natural at all. Perhaps, something devoured what was once there. Consider this, the universe is estimated to be almost 14 billion years old. That means, when we peer into the Boötes Void, we are looking deep into ancient time. Whatever erased those galaxies did so long ago. Yet, the void continues to expand, quietly, methodically, swallowing space itself. Astrophysicists have tried to map the few lonely clusters inside the emptiness. They call them cosmic survivors, tiny sparks clinging to existence in a sea of black. But even these galaxies seem dimmer than expected, as though something drains them. Their signals weaken the closer we look. Visualize its scale, imagine stretching from the Milky Way to the Andromeda Galaxy, then multiply that distance hundreds of times. This void dwarfs superclusters, humbles cosmic walls. It is size beyond imagination, a hollow cathedral where light prays to nothing. The question is not just how it formed, but why it persists. Some theorize that this may be a region where dark energy dominates, a place where repulsive force outweighs gravity. In that scenario, it's as if the universe itself refuses to exist there. An anti-place, rejecting creation's touch. The numbers align hauntingly with the idea of a cosmic repellent field. Others dare to ponder if this void is a scar left by something ancient and intelligent, something capable of erasing galaxies to forge its own silent domain. Could an unimaginable mind have chosen isolation on a cosmic scale? Or worse, is this its feeding ground, where light and matter vanish into incorporeal hunger? When telescopes tune toward that region, strange anomalies ripple through the data. Faint distortions, patterns repeating where none should exist. Astronomers describe faint echoes, as though some structure lurks inside. Could it be geometry beyond human comprehension, or the contours of an unseen, living void? A handful of deep sky observers claim to have detected whispers of radio waves that should not be there. Random noise can explain most, but not all. A pulse, repeating. A beckoning rhythm from an impossible distance. When measured, its interval approximates the length of a human heartbeat. There's something profoundly terrifying about realizing vast parts of existence may be missing. The Boötes Void could represent a natural phase of cosmic evolution, or evidence of wrongness on a universal level. If something is erasing galaxies, it operates on a scale our minds cannot contain. Imagine traveling there aboard a starship. For centuries, your vessel glides past nothing, no worlds, no stars, not even dust. Communication fades, navigation loses meaning. Eventually, your instruments all read zero. In that eternal black, perception itself unravels. You begin to question if you ever truly existed. Rare light emitted from within arrives diminished, stretched by time and emptiness. Astronomers call this redshift, but within the Boötes Void, it feels almost personal. As though the void steals the color from reality itself, an artist repainting existence in desolation. A cosmic hum of absence, reverberating across eternity. When mapped in 3 dimensions, the Boötes Void is nearly spherical, like a hollow globe punched into the cosmic web. Some scientists describe it as an intergalactic bubble, but a bubble bursting with nothing. That so-called nothing challenges the principle of uniformity, the assumption that matter is evenly spread across space. Our own Milky Way drifts comfortably within filaments rich in galaxies, the safe arteries of the universe. Yet the void lies not terribly far by cosmic standards. Should our local cluster drift over millions of years, it might eventually border the darkness. One day, perhaps, it could fall inside. If the cosmos truly expands forever, more regions like the Boötes Void will appear. The future universe may become a patchwork of vast absences, each colder and quieter than the last. One day, every observer might see nothing but dark. The night will outgrow the light. Philosophers argue that the void mirrors humanity's deepest fear, the fear of meaninglessness. We project stories into the stars for comfort, but here, there are no stars to cling to. The void offers silence as its only truth. It speaks the language of forever and nothingness. There have been speculations that the Boötes Void could connect to other realities, places where physics itself fractures. The idea posits that matter slips through unseen dimensions, leaving behind ghost volumes. It evokes dread, for it implies the universe leaks. Every disappearance could be a doorway. Imagine intelligences older than galaxies, drifting between universes like spores. What if one of them chose to settle here, drawing in light as nourishment? The Boötes Void could be its resting place, a cosmic cocoon awaiting rebirth. Perhaps the silence we hear is not emptiness, but the breath of something asleep. Mathematical simulations try to recreate the void, feeding variables of dark matter and accelerating expansion. Yet none match its eerie symmetry. The models collapse where logic should hold. It's as if the equations themselves protest the shape of emptiness they are forced to describe. When astronomers peer deeper with infrared eyes, faint traces emerge, ghostly arcs and shadows hinting at missing masses. It's like uncovering footprints of celestial predators, long gone yet unmistakably real. These anomalies whisper that the void remembers, even if the galaxies do not. Some suggest that what we call space might be alive in some incomprehensible way. The Boötes Void could be its wound, or its mouth. Every new scan is an intrusion into silence that might prefer not to be disturbed. There are regions where even the universe looks away. If emptiness can possess a mood, the Boötes Void radiates melancholy. Its perimeter faintly glows where matter meets the abyss, like frost on a window between worlds. Even light seems hesitant to cross that threshold. Deep observers feel an almost human sensation of being watched from the dark. There exists a theory, whispered more in imagination than in textbooks, that the Boötes Void marks the footprint of an ancient cosmic civilization. A species so advanced, it harvested entire galaxies for energy, then vanished, leaving a hole where creation once sang. The ultimate act of consumption disguised as silence. In the night sky, the void appears unremarkable to the naked eye, just another patch of darkness. Yet knowing what lies beyond transforms that darkness into terror. Above us, a vast emptiness stretches, indifferent to our fears. It is both there and nowhere, and we are infinitely small. Modern observatories continue to map, probe, and measure the Boötes Void, but every discovery only deepens the mystery. The more we study, the less we understand. Space should not behave this way, it should teem with light. Something here broke the pattern, and the universe has never healed. When cosmic microwave detectors sweep across the region, the background hiss stutters, infinitesimal, but real. The signature resembles an aftershock of creation itself. Could it be an echo of something older than the Big Bang? Or perhaps the universe's way of remembering its own absence? At human scale, the void is incomprehensible. We measure its diameter in hundreds of millions of light-years, yet we cannot touch even a spark within. If we launched our fastest probe today, it would drift endless centuries before glimpsing a single distant star, a needle in eternal black. Some astrophysicists sleep uneasily knowing the universe can harbor such vast silences. The Boötes Void is a testament to the indifference of reality, the cold, mathematical permission for nothing to exist. It dares us to ask, what happens if creation itself grows tired? Perhaps, in a sense, the Boötes Void is the universe's own reflection in the mirror of entropy. Where order collapses back into potential, and existence whispers its final lullaby. It is not merely emptiness, it is the memory of everything lost. Night, when you gaze into the constellations of Boötes, remember what stares back from that dark gap between the stars. Somewhere out there lies a silence older than time, vast enough to swallow destiny itself. It waits, indifferent, and one day, perhaps, it will reach for us. The Boötes Void reminds us that the universe is not all beauty and wonder, sometimes, it is terror beyond comprehension. A realm where even galaxies die unseen, and silence reigns supreme. In that infinite black, we glimpse our own impermanence, fragile sparks standing before eternity.